How to check US passport application status online. To start, search on Google US passport application status, and then you will see the first link. So this will redirect you to the website. So in here, check the privacy and computer fraud and submit. And then here you will input your personal information and then click on submit once done. And then if you need help, we have the guide in here. So if you are traveling internationally within 14 days, you could use the Contact Us website. And then if you are reporting technical issues, you can report using the email. And then if you applied for a special issuance passport, you could visit the website. So that's it. That's how to check US passport application status online.